Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened. You know, you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams. Sometimes the questions are complicated and the answers are simple. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own. And you know what you know. And you are the one who'll decide where to go. I like nonsense, it wakes up the brain cells. Fantasy is a necessary ingredient in living. Today you are you, that is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you. The more that you read, the more things you'll know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. A person's a person, no matter how small. Fantasy is a necessary ingredient in living. It's a way of looking at life through the wrong end of a telescope. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? I have heard there are troubles of more than one kind. Some come from ahead and some come from behind. But I've bought a big bat. I'm all ready, you see. Now my troubles are going to have troubles with me. You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. If things start happening, don't worry, don't stew. Just go right along and you'll start happening too. Today was good. Today was fun. Tomorrow is another one. From there to here, from here to there, funny things are everywhere. Think left, and think right, and think low, and think high. Oh, the things you can think up if only you try. All alone. Whether you like it or not, alone is something you'll be quite a lot. I meant what I said and I said what I meant. An elephant's faithful 100%. Adults are just obsolete children and the hell with them. Remember me and smile, for it's better to forget than to remember me and cry. They say I'm old-fashioned, and live in the past, but sometimes I think progress progresses too fast. Only you can control your future. You'll miss the best things if you keep your eyes shut. If you never did, you should. These things are fun and fun is good. I'm afraid that sometimes you'll play lonely games too. Games you can't win 'cause you'll play against you. Be awesome. Be a book nut. I'm glad we had the times together just to laugh and sing a song. Seems like we just got started and then before you know it, the times we had together were gone. You can get help from teachers, but you are going to have to learn a lot by yourself, sitting alone in a room. Think and wonder, wonder and think. So the writer who breeds more words than he needs, is making a char for the reader who reads. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me now. It is fun to have fun, but you have to know how. I know, up on top you are seeing great sights, but down here at the bottom we, too, should have rights. Oh, the places you'll go. There is fun to be done. There are points to be scored. There are games to be won. And the magical things you can do with that ball will make you the winningest winner of all. There's no limit to how much you'll know, depending how far beyond zebra you go. How did it get so late so soon? It's night before it's afternoon. December is here before it's June. My goodness, how the time has flown. How did it get so late so soon? It's not about what it is, it's about what it can become. To the world you may be one person, but to one person you may be the world. He who makes a beast out of himself, gets rid of the pain of being a man. The storm starts, when the drops start dropping. When the drops stop dropping, then the storm starts stopping. Poor empty pants with nobody inside them. Things may happen, and often due to people as brainy and footsie as you. I like nonsense, it wakes up the brain cells. Oh, the things you can find if you don't stay behind. When he worked, he really worked. But when he played, he really played. And the turtles, of course, all the turtles are free, as turtles and, maybe, all creatures should be. Today I shall behave, as if this is the day I will be remembered. Just tell yourself, Ducky, you're real quite lucky. Congratulations. Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. And will you succeed? Yes indeed, yes indeed. 98.75% guarantee. I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny. Sometimes you will never know the value of something, until it becomes a memory. And this mess is so big and so deep and so tall, we cannot pick it up. There is no way at all. Cause when a guy does something stupid once, well, that's because he's a guy. But if he does the same stupid thing twice, that's usually to impress some girl. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights.